Today we are going to make chicken vindaloo using Spicytude Vindaloo Spice Kit. Start by chopping onion and tomato. Add a pot to the stove over medium flame. Add oil. Add onion and cook until it's dark brown. Then add tomatoes. Cook until they are soft. Add this mixture to a blender. Then add ginger, garlic, sugar, vinegar, water, and the Vindaloo spice mix. Blend all of this into a smooth paste. Pour this marinate over the chicken, mix it well and let it sit for at least 30 minutes. Add the pot over medium flame, add oil and this marinated chicken. Let it cook for 5 to 10 minutes. Lower the flame, cover it and cook it for another 20 to 25 minutes, stirring occasionally. And your chicken vindaloo is ready. Thank you for watching.